It has been very rainy lately. It's kind of sprinkling right now, but hopefully it doesn't start pouring while I'm filming, but I will not be surprised if it does. Hi, my name is Hannah. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here though, I upload beauty videos. I would love it if you stuck around and subscribed. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. If you want to see what I have particularly been loving in July, it's the month, make sure you keep on watching. Also, before we get into the favorites, I just want to mention my makeup is kind of not cooperating the way that I would like it, especially like it's not blending like bronzer, contour. And I have tried, and maybe you wouldn't have noticed that unless I pointed it out, but now I pointed it out. Okay, the first favorite that I'm going to talk about is something that I got in my BoxyCharm. Also, I just recently posted my July BoxyCharm unboxing, so I will leave that linked for you. But of course, still, watch this video too. But anyway, if you haven't seen that, I recommend checking that out. This lip pencil I got in a BoxyCharm. I think it was the June one, it wasn't the July one. But anyway, this is the Beauty Vaults lip pencil in the shade Beau Babe. It's what I have on my lips today. I also have a lipstick over top of it, so I'll just swatch this by itself so you can kind of see. I think I still have a little bit of foundation on my hand because I used the back of my hand to mix it. But anyway, I think it's a pretty shade. I love how creamy this is. It's very, very creamy, and I think it's fairly long lasting as well. I love that I got that in my BoxyCharm. I don't get BoxyCharm every single month. It's just something that I get every now and then. I did get June and July, but just to say, in case you were wondering, I have gotten some really good products from BoxyCharm, but it's just not something that I get every single month. The next thing is a non-beauty item, but it is this, these are called tumblers, right? Is this a tumbler? Wait. I'm gonna call it a tumbler. You know what it is. Anyway, this is 32 ounces. I got this on Amazon. Shout out to my best friend for finding this. She had one whenever she was driving, we were in the car, and she has like a different design than this one, but she said that she got it on Amazon, so I ordered it on Amazon. Thank you. Shout out to you. This will be linked in the description box down below as well. I just really like it. It's like pretty much the only thing that I drink water out of now. It keeps it nice and cold. It has like a flip top. It also I think it comes with straws, but just personally, that's just something else for me to wash. So I just like drinking out of this. It has the nice lid, and like I said, it keeps my water cold. I love drinking water all the time, so I take that with me. Even if I'm just like not even gonna be in the car for a very long time, I'm just one of those people that still takes water with me. Like last night I went to dinner, I just went to dinner with a friend, still brought my water. It's just the type of person that I am. The next thing, so I went a little while without wearing foundation. For one, obviously not going as many places, but anyway, didn't wear foundation as much. And then I started wearing this foundation again. This is the Urban Decay Stay Naked foundation. I have two because I mix the colors. Also, I know that this looks like it's basically empty, but there is still a little bit left in here. I think I have backups of both of the shades that I use. Thankfully, I mix 20 NN and 30 NN, and that's why I still have foundation on the back of my hand. I mix it on the back of my hand, and this just has really good coverage. I think I really, really love that foundation. I use this It Brushes for Ulta foundation brush whenever I do wear that. I recommend that foundation if you were kind of looking for something that is full coverage. It is fairly full coverage, I think personally, and I love it. I think it has really good coverage, and that's all I have to say about it. The next favorite that I have is this that I got in my FabFitFun. This is a wireless charging pad. I think it's just beautiful. It comes with the blue cord. It didn't come with the wall outlet though, just to let you know, but I just, had another one. I'm gonna take that off so I can just show you. I think it's really pretty. This is what I use whenever I charge my phone pretty much solely now, unless I'm using like my battery thing, it's not the wall outlet. Do you know what I'm talking about? But this is what I mostly use whenever I charge my phone, and I love that I can just lay my phone on here and it charges. So I am very, very glad that I got that in my FabFitFun, and that's definitely a favorite since I got that. You guys, I forgot my Jergens face lotion as well, and I literally just got up to get the wireless charging pad because that was in my room. My Jergens face lotion is in my bathroom, but it is a favorite. I have spoken about it before. It's just like the Jergens face lotion that has like a little bit of like self-tanner in it as well. Once again, it'll be linked in the description box. Did I use that today? Honestly, I can't remember if I did or not, but it is a favorite. It does kind of give me a little bit of a self-tan on my face, and it's pretty affordable as well, so I wanted to mention that. I know I've mentioned it to you guys before, but it is still a favorite in case you're curious. The next thing I've also talked about, but listen, it's just, they're really good. It is this brush trio. I'm gonna be honest, I don't use this one that much, but I'm pretty sure you have, like, it comes in a trio. It's not a bad brush, but just for whatever reason, at least at this time, I don't use it that much, but just kind of wanted to show it because this is like the third brush that comes with it. This is another thing that came in a BoxyCharm a little while ago, and I love these brushes, especially these two. This is the brightening brush. I love this for applying powder underneath my eyes to kind of set my under eye concealer. And then I love using this one. This is the bronzer brush, so I love using this one actually for contour. I know it says bronzer, but maybe I mix contour and bronzer, like that step. I don't know. I didn't use it today because it was still a little damp because I did wash this recently, but I do love this. I think it's just, they're so soft. I love these brushes, and I'm so glad that I got them in a BoxyCharm. If you liked this video, make sure you check out right here. Like I was telling you, my recent BoxyCharm unboxing, I recommend that you watch that. Also, if you liked this video, I would really appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up. It really does help me out. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.